Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Fiddlehead in Heartopia. This Fiddlehead is one of the wild greens at the new event in Heartopia that called Dreamlight Cinematic event. So in this new event, you can collect the Fiddlehead to complete the ingredients to cook the any limited food in Heartopia. And to get this Fiddlehead, you can just collect it at the Deer Tower Forest. This area. Just go to this area and then walk around until you find the plants or the wild greens that looks like this, and then just pick it. And you will automatically collect the fiddlehead like this. And then just continue walk around until you can collect more fiddleheads. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.